Hey guys, I'm Camille, aka C Faces, and today I'm going to show you how I sell my prints online. So when I first started doing this a couple years ago, it was really overwhelming because there's so much information out there on the internet. If you're not familiar with computer stuff, it's also overwhelming. So today I'm going to show you how I go from sketch to Procreate to digitizing my artwork, then to making a mock-up, then to using Printful as my dropshipper, and then to uploading to my website. All of this is a really easy, like 5 or 6 step thing, and it's really sounds more complicated than it is. So I'm here to simplify things. This video is going to be kind of fast, so if you have any other comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. But yeah, this is why I just want to share this information with you guys, because it's not as complicated as it might seem in the beginning. So once you have a grasp on things, it'll be way easier. So if this interests you, follow along or fast forward or whatever, but this is what this video will be about. All right. Okay, so the example that we're going to be working with today is this painting from my sketchbook. You can see there's a lot of imperfections in it. There's obviously some things I'd like to change. So I'm going to show you how to turn this into, using your iPad, a much cleaner digitized version, okay? So this is really simple and it's not going to take you that long. So let's go. So we'll start off by taking a photo in natural lighting of our painting. And with this photo, we will just airdrop it to our iPad, upload it into Procreate, and make it as big as possible, because remember, you can always make it smaller, but you can't always make it bigger. Then you're going to want to lower the opacity of your first layer, then add a new layer. Then I take my technical pen and I use the streamline at 100% because I like my lines to be really smooth and effortless. Trace over your painting, create it however you want, fix whatever you think needs to be fixed, and then voila, you'll turn into this eventually. Then with this, we'll export it as a JPEG, and then we will... Okay, so we're going to want to head over to smartmockups.com and prints and then frames. Do portrait so that it's the size and the dimensions of your piece. Pick one that you like and then download it as a high quality image, and you have a beautiful mockup to show your clients and on your website. I use Printful as my drop shipping method, which is a great tool for artists. You don't have any inventory to worry about. So you can go in and just upload your products to framed posters, which is how I sell my prints. And then I'm going to fast forward through this part a little bit, but you have to adjust each size depending on the file size to make sure that it fits within the frame. Sometimes you have to remove some sizes that don't work well with the image that you have, which is totally okay. Less options is better for buyers anyway, doesn't get them confused. So here I'll delete all the squares and the rectangles that don't fit proportionally to the design that I have, okay? After you've done your product description and you've adjusted your prices, then once you are connected to Wix, you'll see the item come up in your store products, and from there you can go and upload the mockups that we did to show what it will look for your customers in their house. Then you can go and check on your website, mine is cfaces.shop, head over to prints, and there you go, your print will be up there. And just like that, it's really easy to sell your artwork using Wix and Printful integrated together. All right, amazing. So I know I went through that video pretty quickly, but I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to go from point A to point B without all the mumbo jumbo and getting confused and overwhelmed. It is a short and very fast video, and obviously it'll take you some time to learn this process, so don't get overwhelmed and don't be hard on yourself. But yeah, so first and foremost, you need your Wix website, and then you need your Printful. And then after that, you integrate the two together, and then you'll start to learn the flow of things, and things will come way easier to you, and this video will make a lot more sense. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you guys have a lot of success with your art, and we'll talk soon. And maybe I think the next video that I'm going to do is going to be more in depth on how you can use Printful and other products and use the product templates that they have to really like see your products on your artwork on a lot of products. So that being said, thank you guys for watching this video, and I had a lot of fun making it. And my Instagram is @cfaces.art. My website is cfaces.shop. I'm Camille Marino, and to all a good night. Bye.